Affordable and budget-friendly. Christmas Decoration Ideas 2024. As the holiday season draws near, we all crave that special Christmas magic. The sparkle of twinkling lights, the warmth of rich colors, and the joy of a beautifully decorated home. It's all part of the magic. But creating that enchanting atmosphere doesn't have to break the bank. This year, let's dive into some affordable, budget-friendly Christmas decoration ideas for 2024 that are both beautiful and elegant. Whether you're decorating a cozy apartment or a spacious house, these tips will bring festive charm to every corner without stretching your wallet. DIY ornaments with natural materials. Nothing says Christmas like rustic, handmade ornaments, and they're an affordable option that brings a warm, personal touch to your tree. Collect pine cones, acorns, or even branches from your local park and give them a little holiday makeover. Spray them with a bit of gold or silver paint for an elegant shimmer, or add some twine and small bells for a cozy farmhouse feel. These ornaments are not only budget-friendly but also eco-friendly, and they add a natural, timeless beauty to your decor. Minimalist wreaths and garlands. Wreaths and garlands are holiday staples, but they can be pricey. Instead of splurging, consider a minimalist approach using a wire frame or hoop as the base. Decorate it with fresh or faux eucalyptus branches, sprigs of evergreen, and a few pine cones. A simple ribbon tied at the top adds an elegant touch without being overly complex. Place these on doors, windows, or even around mirrors. Not only do minimalist wreaths and garlands keep costs down, but they also add a modern, understated elegance to your holiday home. Elegant table settings with affordable elements. The holiday table is the heart of Christmas gatherings. You can achieve a stylish, festive look with a few inexpensive touches. Use white candles for a classic look and place them in small glass jars or old wine glasses to create a warm, glowing centerpiece. Scatter some cranberries, cinnamon sticks, or sprigs of rosemary on the table for a fragrant, festive feel. Use fabric napkins and tie them with ribbon or twine to add a personalized touch that your guests will love. Little details like these bring sophistication to your table without costing much. If you're finding these ideas helpful, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. A like and a comment would make our day. Let us know which of these budget-friendly decorations you'll try, or share your own tips with us. We love hearing from you. Budget-friendly Christmas tree decor. Decorating a Christmas tree can be costly, but you can achieve a high-end look with a few creative tricks. Stick to a color scheme, like gold and white or red and silver, for a cohesive, polished feel. Use ribbon instead of traditional garlands, wrap it around the tree in layers, or let it cascade down in elegant waves. If you're looking for an affordable way to add sparkle, pick up some dollar store ornaments or fill clear plastic balls with glitter, tiny ornaments, or even dried flowers. With these small but thoughtful touches, your tree will look stunningly curated. Use edible decor for a cozy touch. Edible decorations are a fun, inexpensive way to add charm and festivity to your decor. Gingerbread cookies, candy canes, and popcorn garlands are classic, but you can also try dried orange slices for a fresh twist. Hang them on the tree, place them in bowls, or even use them as part of your table settings. The warm, fragrant smell of spices and oranges will fill your home, adding an extra layer of holiday spirit. Plus, these decorations double as tasty treats, something that's sure to please everyone. Festive lighting on a budget. Lighting can make or break the ambience, but you don't have to spend a lot to get a cozy, warm glow. String lights are affordable and versatile. Drape them along mantels, windows, or even wrap them around greenery for an instant festive upgrade. Candles are another great option, and you can use them in groups for a soft, inviting glow. Consider using battery-operated tea lights if you have little ones around. Mixing these affordable lighting options creates a layered effect that fills every corner with holiday warmth. Repurpose everyday items as decor. Look around your home. You may already have items that can be transformed into holiday decor. For example, glass jars can become festive candle holders, old blankets or plaid scarves can work as tree skirts, and mason jars can be filled with fairy lights or small ornaments for a simple, elegant touch. By reimagining the items you already own, you save money and add a personal flair to your holiday space. Cozy Christmas corners. Instead of decorating every inch of your home, focus on creating cozy Christmas corners. Choose a few strategic spots, like a side table, entryway, or fireplace mantle, and deck them out with smaller decorations like mini trees, candles, and seasonal flowers. This approach keeps your budget in check while maximizing the festive impact. Cozy corners are perfect for creating a warm holiday atmosphere without the pressure to decorate every space. Decorating for Christmas doesn't have to drain your wallet. By focusing on DIY projects, natural elements, and simple touches, you can create a beautiful, elegant holiday atmosphere that reflects your personal style without overspending. Let these budget-friendly ideas inspire you to get creative this season and bring joy to your home. And as always, have a Merry Christmas filled with warmth, love, and a beautiful, affordable holiday setting.